Hey YouTube, today we're gonna make some ribs in the Instapot. This is a full rack of baby back ribs. What we're gonna do is peel off that extra skin and then rinse it off. But the reason why I'm peeling it off is so when I use the dry rub on that side right there where it's being peeled, it penetrates with the flavors of the dry rub. You don't have to do this, but this is what I'm gonna do. And then after that, you rinse it off, and now we're gonna pat it dry on both sides. That is a spice rub mix. You can use any type of rub you want, but we're going to generously put it on both sides. Don't be afraid for flavor. I'm telling you, this really works. It gives your ribs a really nice flavor when you use a dry rub. And I actually did put a quarter cup of water at the bottom, but I didn't film that. And we're going to turn it on for 22 minutes and cook it. Now, depending on how much tenderness you want, you can cook it for extra 5 or 6 more minutes, which will let the bones slide right out of there. But I like for my meat to have a little bit of bite when I chew on it. I know some other people, they like it so tender that the meat is falling apart. This barbecue sauce was homemade. You can use whatever you want. And we're gonna just generously put it on both sides. Whatever type of barbecue you like, that's what you use. And stick it inside the oven for a couple of minutes until the meat is caramelized with that barbecue sauce. Now, as you can see, it cooked a little bit more than I wanted to, but that's okay. Ribs in a pressure cooker seals in the juices, tender, can't go wrong, cooks fast, and that's it. If you guys make your ribs in a pressure cooker, let me know how yours turn out because these are the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next video.